So hello ma'am, what's your name?
I'm Kahani Jain.
Kahani Jain?
Yeah.
Very beautiful name.
Thank you so much.
What's the name of your label ma'am?
It's called Cloth Horse.
Cloth Horse. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we make a very special fabric. These are summer brocades. We make our own fabrics.
You make your own fabrics also?
Yeah. We have everything in house.
Tell me, where is it? And
so we are Bombay-based exporters, and we've started this domestic brand during COVID times, and it's a very unique fabric. It's an all-weather wear summer brocade with international designing.
What's the textile material, ma'am?
It's a modal-based cotton.
Okay.
Brocade. And it's an all-weather wear.
Okay.
It's a very contemporary take on Indian fashion.
Okay.
And it's something very different. We have an online presence. We have retail outlets of our own
in Mumbai.
In Mumbai and in Noida.
Okay, let's go slow. What's the story behind the brand?
So we've been scarf exporters for 40 odd years.
Okay.
And we just decided to get into garments, and we felt India is a great market.
Okay.
And everything you see here is made in India. A lot of people ask us if it's imported or Chinese or something. No, all the fabric, everything is made here.
Okay. So the fabric is first of all getting manufactured in Mumbai.
Yeah, we have our captive looms. So, and we have our own printing factories and everything.
Okay. And all are these occasion wear, ma'am?
Most of them are occasional wear. It's the most comfortable festive wear that you will ever come across.
Okay.
No embroideries, no nothing.
Okay.
It's a fabric which does the talking.
Okay. And are you the designer? Or what are you?
No, my brother-in-law is the designer.
Okay, your brother-in-law is the designer. So could you just elaborate one of your collection?
So something like this is a kurta.
Yeah. So it's again modal-based brocade. Yeah. Okay.
So each piece is individually woven.
Okay.
And you'll never find soft brocades.
Okay.
Our brocades are super soft.
Okay. So generally means the brocades are not soft?
No, they're not soft. They're very hard and stiff.
Okay.
And also usually they're either silk or mixed fabrics. Yeah. So this is all cotton based. So it's an all-weather wear.
And that's why they are soft?
Yeah, because
of modal, first of all.
Because of modal, and also because it's a cotton base.
Okay.
And it's a very special technique, and it's probably we are the only ones across the globe who can make this fabric.
Really, ma'am?
Yeah.
You're very sure about that?
Yeah, absolutely.
The great, ma'am.
Absolutely.
Wow. Okay. Anything else, ma'am, you would like to display?
I think.
So all are primarily brocades, yeah?
Yeah.
And everything is women wear, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you present online, ma'am, also?
Yeah, we have an online presence also.
Could you just name your...
Cloth Horse.
It's your website or at Insta?
We have an Insta also by the name of Cloth Horse, and the website is clothhorse.com.
Clothhorse.com. Great. Wonderful talking to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Best of luck, ma'am.
Thank you.